Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Speed Paint with Story, where you will get the speed paint of an art piece along with a story related to it. Okay, you remember this piece, right? So for today's video, I have created a piece which describes the after story of this piece. Basically, I haven't told the story about it, so today I will tell the story from the beginning, which will cover both the art piece. And hereby I present a closer look. Long time ago, there was a king who was a ruler of small but wealthy kingdom. He was wealthy enough that even the pillar of his castle was made of gold. He had a wife who died just after giving birth to a beautiful girl. The king had only his daughter in the name of his family. He named his little girl after her mother, Faith. As she grew older, she becoming more beautiful. Her eyes was blue like an ocean. The king was worried about his throne since he was also getting older. In order to make his daughter eligible for throne, he not only gave her education but also trained her with different fighting skills. As time passes, she became a great archer and also little artistic skill was there in corner. Despite being a great fighter, she was never able to hurt a soul, even an animal. So one day, the king sent her for hunting and said, "At least a rabbit will be enough." So she left the castle and went to north. After some time, she entered into a forest. She searched everywhere and spent her whole day but didn't find anything. She was in the middle of the forest and realized that the sun was setting down. The forest was becoming even darker, so she decided to leave. On her way out, she smelled a beautiful fragrance. She followed the scent and reached near an elegant white deer. She was stunned by the beauty of that deer. Unwillingly, she draws an arrow, fixes her target and holds for some time, but can't lose the arrow. So she kept her bow and arrow aside and started approaching towards the deer, but the deer ran away. Then she returned to her castle with empty hands. And the next day she decided to go to that same place in the forest. So she left the castle in the night without letting anyone to know. She didn't even take any weapon. She arrived at the same place where she saw that deer, but there was nothing. However, that was a full moon night. The forest was not even that darker, so she waited there for a little bit. The wind was slowly hustling, so she got a little eye. After some time, she smelled that same fragrance. When she opened her eye, the deer was standing in front of her. She was amazed. Then she got up and approached towards the deer slowly. The deer was standing still, so she got near, closed her eye and touched the deer. She felt very cold. Then she opened her eyes, but there was nothing. She was very happy for seeing that divine creature. Then she decided to leave the forest.